Race of Hope Support Initiative is a non-governmental organization located in Ibadan, Nigeria. We have concern for the health and well-being of poor and vulnerable Nigerians battling with issues of hypertension and diabetes, who don't even know the effect of what they are battling with. They don't even know that it's a life-threatening ailment. That's why we as an organization, we are going out from one community to the other, telling them about the effects of this ailment. We are helping to provide medical care through our health awareness programs, free medical programs, among others, so that these people will know the effect of what they have in their body and what they need to do. Yeah, at Race of Hope Support Initiative, it's our vision to reach out to the poor and vulnerable members of our community with the mission of hope in regards to their health and well-being through our health, education, enlightenment, and provision of free medical treatment without fear or favor. Organization to provide screening and free medication to over 10,000 Nigerians in 3 years. Right from now, we have the vision for providing 10,000. I'm repeating because as we speak, we've provided over 3,000. We've reached over 3,000. We have a target of reaching that 10,000 in less than 3 years. To provide training to people within the community who will serve as a rallying point on issue of hypertension and diabetes. To reduce by at least 50% numbers of people battling with issue of hypertension in terms of enlightenment, in terms of training, in terms of health tips from our different channels, like different handles. To teach our target community on the importance of knowing their health numbers. That when you know your health numbers, you'll be at safer side. When you know your health numbers, you know what to do. When you know your health numbers, your life is safe. You're able to live your life to full age. Running an NGO comes with joy and passion, knowing that you are doing a good thing, impacting lives of a less privileged in the society. What goes beyond that, my experience as follows: the need to do more for the communities we serve. It has not been easy because of the available fund at hand. Attracting people to what we are doing as an NGO, it's not easy because people thought that you are worthy running an NGO in Nigeria. Not only that, acquiring donors for small NGOs like us, it cannot be easy too, because those big organizations do put special concentrations to those big NGOs because they believe they are the one doing the job. Where we the small ones are the one going to the communities, impacting life directly. Those ones they are impacting life really, but we do go directly to the poor and the vulnerable Nigerians, battling with what we are really after. And also sourcing for funds, talking to organizations, talking to like we are organizations, we run activities on health and health. I've talked to pharmaceutical companies, big pharmaceutical companies, but their response wasn't encouraging. All this has been part of my experience for these 3-4 years. According to World Health Organizations, Nigeria has one of the highest numbers of people with hypertension and diabetes. We are talking about over 20 million Nigerians battling with the issue of hypertension and over 5 million Nigerians battling with the issue of diabetics. So I'm asking our fellow Nigerians, that is the poor and the vulnerable ones, to please make sure that they know their health numbers, make their health a priority. If you are on medication, don't play with the medication. Please follow as your doctor prescribe. Not only that, we are what we eat, so they need to know what they eat and eat correctly. Not only that, we are asking that as an organization, we need to be a partner. We need collaborations. We need people that will help us to achieve our vision, our mission of impacting more Nigerians, reaching our goals. If you don't mind, join us with this what we are doing at Race of Hope Initiative. I thank Modupe Dokedari for giving this opportunity to be on our platform. And I really appreciate that great thing she's doing through our platform, impacting people's life in terms of health and serving humanity na the only little way